Hey folks, how you doing? So everything's alright here. Like I said yesterday, my area really didn't get hit at all. Out of the water, no flood, just a little bit of wind. I mean, the wind was really strong. Took down the whole tree right outside of the house, destroyed one car completely and banked up a couple more, but one was really totaled. One Subaru, what a shame. And but our car in the driveway, all safe and sound, everything was alright. But if you watch the news footage, it's really bad in some areas, really bad. I feel bad for the people. I hope all of you guys are well, especially there's a lot of damage in Jersey. Everything by the shore was really bad. We're gonna go take a drive tomorrow then down to Sheepshead Bay and some coastal areas here, because I heard that it's really bad, I want to say it. And worked on some shades, did this one. Again, I really like this type of shade. I think I'm gonna be doing these a lot, this type of shades for these nights. They just fit so well. They make really nice package. I really do like it. And they work perfect. Super easy to remove, still great retention, not going anywhere. Very easy to put in, very easy to pull out. Really liking this, and the overall package, I think I love it a lot. Same with this one, very similar, but I had to do a little bit of molding because of the bulky handle with a lot of contouring, so it required a lot more work. But I did this. Somebody mentioned it, my buddy Pen Football mentioned it, that it might look good with the Holstex carbon fiber, and I think it does look cool. This one is pretty sweet. Little tricky with this one because you have to actually insert it in a certain way. Certain way it goes perfect, but just a millimeter off and you're having hard time. Like here, you see? But the certain way it goes perfect in and out. Actually, out goes really nice, and this is super secure because it grabs a lot on this, on the way the handle is shaped. But I do like this blade also a lot. It's pretty sweet. And some of you were curious about the Tek-Lok. It does carry really nicely. It makes a big difference on this small blade. I mean, it's not like it would bother you unless you have like really, you know, a little bit of that side fat there. But when you know when the handle sticks up really up high from the belt, since the Tek-Lok would be here. But in this configuration, you see where your belt is. How to put it so you can say, here's your belt. So you have only this little bit sticking up from the belt up, which is really cool. It carries really nice, this thing, and it worked out. It's a good thing. And when you take it out, you have just regular like a pocket shade, and it works well too. And work on this one today. Made this one new one. Again, just played with it a little bit more. Did a little different shape. This time I left the front tanto the regular way and got rid of the thumb ramp to make nice natural swoop here. And I like this one a lot. It's very interesting, good looking blade. It's funny that how much you can do with a little bit of grinding from the one basic shape. You know, I've done, and you can do probably a lot more. This one I did a little bit extra. Did a very nice and really high polish blade. You can see it there. The haze is actually just that oil on the blade. It's not mirror polish. If you look really close, you see some minor scratch lines there. The microscopic little grind lines from the original grind. But it is very nice high polish blade. And did that micarta, natural micarta, and polished that. I actually buffed it up, took the scales off, buffed it up a little bit, and it's a pretty sweet package. This one definitely gonna be brown. It will just go nicely together with that brown Kydex. I do like this a lot. This is a very natural shape for the hand, you know, if you want to go like that with the thumb all the way down. Same this way, you know, in this grip. To control the tip, you have very good control, you know, for like a skinning grip like this with the tip. Very nice work there. And the thumb kind of locks in here in this little depression. I think this is a good looking blade too. I do like it a lot, this one. So like I said, guys, hope everybody else is alright in this area. Hope nothing happened to anybody. You know, remember, everything can be rebuilt and, you know, made the money again, but the health and safety is the first. So take care, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and remember, don't cut yourself.